So we're going to walk you through our prototype, the Auric AromaSphere. But before we show the working version, let's just show you our product vision. Introducing the AromaSphere, a beautifully designed, highly personalized IoT platform that blends the evocative power of scent with cutting-edge data-driven technology. Imagine the elegance of e-soap, the functionality of Sonus, and the simplicity of Nespresso all brought together in one beautiful device. Now, the Auric AromaSphere is equipped with 8 therapeutic essential oils, which are uniquely blended to create what we call Auric rituals. A ritual is a 3-oiled combination backed by scientific studies to support distinct mood states, such as sleep, focus, relaxation, and energy. The AromaSphere addresses some of the key friction points of existing essential oil products, such as messy to blend, lack of consumer knowledge about what oils to use, and the low-tech, not personalized nature of the one-size-fits-all experience. Now, what sets us apart? At the heart of the AromaSphere lies the Auric Wellness Signature, an AI algorithm that adapts in real time to align with users' daily routines, natural rhythms. The intelligence system curates an immersive mood experience by integrating data from multiple sources, including health questionnaires, user calendars, local weather conditions, activity tracking, and biometric insights such as sleep and movement patterns. Auric is a hardware-enabled, recurring business model, revenue generated from the state-of-the-art hardware combined with a user-centric system of repeat essential oils. We're positioning ourselves at the high-end aromatech market, equipped with the oils and the mobile device. And our reoccurring oils are driven by an RFID smart cap system that not only tracks our ECG from plant to grower to any local therapeutic approval, we can track the oil usage and actively promote within the app one-off oil purchase or currency in subscription tiering.
So we've obviously got the diffuser, we've got 8 individual piezos, and the oil bottles themselves. So the oil bottle constitutes the wick, the smart cap, the bottle, and obviously the oil inside that. So we can open up a different mood, so we'll click on energy, and as you can see here, we've got the energy ritual starting. So this will run for a period of 20 minutes, dispensing the oils every 30 seconds. So this particular ritual, we've got Vitality Blend, has got a combination of lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus. So we've also got in the app, we've got My Rituals. So this is an opportunity for you to set up, I guess, a routine throughout your day and throughout your week. So the whole idea and premise of Auric is to make it as carefree and hands-free as possible. So setting up these rituals to run automatically throughout your day, either in the morning when you wake up, at night before you go to bed, or throughout your day if you're working from home.
The Auric AromaSphere is very much made for the living room, which we're in right now, or a bedroom, or a home office. So thanks very much. Hope you liked the product video.
Sure.
Bye.
Thank you.